In 4 minutes, I'll show you how to save thousands of dollars in customer support costs, how to generate leads in the most advanced way, and how to double your solar company's efficiency using Solair, a simple chatbot built for solar businesses. The first feature is the AI troubleshooter and customer support. Using this, you can handle up to 70% of all your customer queries automatically, giving you more time to focus on revenue generating activities. Let me just type my inverter doesn't turn on. So what it's doing right now is it's searching the knowledge base for potential solutions for the user's problem. What we do here is we take all of your previous customer support tickets and analyze it to understand the most common issues faced by your customer base. And then we help you prepare potential solutions to it in the form of checklists, DIY guides, and explainer videos. All of that will be inserted in the knowledge base, which is what the AI will refer to while answering a customer's question. As you can see, if the AI doesn't find a solution for the customer's problem, or if the customer is not able to solve their issue with the given solution, it's going to raise a customer support ticket so that a human can take up that issue. Let me just enter demo details. Now it's going to confirm if the details are right. If it's not right, the user can go ahead and change it, and that's how easy it is to raise a customer support ticket. In the background, all of the user's details, including the chat transcript, is going to be sent to your database. If you're already using your own CRM, we can integrate that CRM into this chatbot so that you can receive all of those details there. If not, we'll give you our own CRM, which you can use to handle customer support tickets. Now, let me show you another feature that we have built into this. It's the cost estimate feature. Now, keep in mind that if you want to collect contact information of the customer upfront and then give them the solar estimate, we can customize it that way. So, as you can see, the user has just entered a partial address, but it doesn't matter. The AI is going to match it with Google Maps addresses, and it's going to give them the full address for confirmation. And then it's going to give them a satellite image of their roof and ask them for another confirmation. And once they click yes, it's going to send that address to Google's Project Sunroof. Google is going to send back information about the user's roof, the size of the roof, the angle of inclination, the number of hours of sunshine each year. It's also going to calculate the solar potential of the building. Once that's done, it's going to give back more information about different configurations of solar panels that the customer can potentially have. The AI is going to pick the best configuration, and it's going to give all of the details to the user, including federal and state tax credits, total upfront cost, the payback period, their total savings if they decide to purchase the system upfront, or if they decide to lease the system from you. And then it's going to ask the user if they have any questions, and it'll be able to answer any question about these costs. All right, the next feature I want to show you is the service appointment booking feature, where your customers will be able to book service appointments in a very easy way. So as you can see, when the user clicks on that option, the AI is going to ask them for their mobile number. And the reason it does that is because it will use the customer's mobile number to cross-check your database to see if that customer is actually your customer or if it's just a random person trying to book a service appointment. And only if that is validated, it's going to give them a calendar to book the appointment. They can pick their own date and time, and of course, you can configure all of these time slots. Let me just enter random details. It's going to confirm and send an email to your customer with all of the details. And it's also going to schedule a service appointment inside your Google Calendar. So all your service representatives have to do is check the calendar, look at the address, just make a confirmation call if they have to, and go perform the service. Now, the next feature I want to show you is when the customer has a question about your company. Let me just ask a random question. Where exactly is Demo Solar located? So it's going to give them the exact address and also a link to navigate to your company. Let me ask another question. What is their experience in the solar industry? There you go. All of this information is being pulled from the knowledge base. And of course, we can change the tone of the AI to suit your brand's voice. This is highly customizable. And that's how you can save thousands of dollars in customer support costs, generate leads in the most advanced way, and double your solar company's efficiency using Solaire. You can get this up and running in less than a week for a setup fee of $399 and a $99 per month subscription, no strings attached. Set up a call with us using the link below and let's get in touch.